Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. So in this video I will going to share the latest update of the Dent coin. My friends, this is the urgent update of the Dent coin. What's going on in the Dent coin? In this video I'm going to share with all of you the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time the latest price of the Dent coin is 0.002 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dent coin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price of Dent coin and the Bitcoin and the BTC, so now the BTC price of the Dent coin is 0.000007 BTC is the current price of the Dent coin, my friends. Other side you can see 24 hours trading volume, market cap of the Dent coin, available supply, total supply of the Dent coin, everything is present here, my friends. You can see that is the latest update of the Dent coin, my friends. But on the other hand, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Dent coin, so I think now this time there is a two cryptocurrencies which price changes is positive, and except of these two cryptocurrencies, the all cryptocurrencies is negative, my friends. Only Dent coin and Shiba Inu token price changes is positive, except of these two coins the price is completely going down, my friends. All cryptocurrencies, my friends. But now you can see that the last 1 hour changes is positive 3.25%, and the last 24 hours changes is also positive. Last 1 week changes is also positive. So now it is time the Dent coin holders is in the profit, and that's really a great news, a good news for all Dent coin holders, my friends. I really recommend for all of you that please hold as much how you hold Dent coin for a long time. Same like that you will get a high amount of profit from a Dent coin, my friends. So hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Dent coin. Absolutely, my friends, now in the July the Dent coin start explosion, and I believe that they will take a huge pump. There is a possibility to the Dent coin taking a huge pump, taking a quick jump in the July, my friends, because you know what, in a previous time the Dent coin price is completely down. That is why I am telling you that there is a possibility to the price will take a quick jump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Dent coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.